Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best and most practical products for your home. Today, we're looking at the EZVALO under cabinet lighting, which we consider the best under-counter lights for your kitchen. If you've been struggling to illuminate those dark cabinets or looking for a sleek and efficient lighting solution, stay tuned as we take a closer look at this top-rated product. The EZVALO under cabinet lighting comes with a rechargeable 2200 mAh detachable battery, which makes it super convenient for those who don't want the hassle of constantly replacing batteries. You can easily remove the battery and charge it separately, ensuring you're never without light for too long. This light also boasts 76 high-quality LED beads, offering a bright yet comfortable illumination for your kitchen, wardrobe, or even your stairway. One of the standout features of this under-cabinet light is its intelligent PIR motion sensor. It automatically turns on when motion is detected within a 10-foot range and a 120-degree angle. The sensor works in two modes: Auto Day Mode and Auto Night Mode. In Auto Day Mode, the light activates whenever motion is detected, whether it's day or night. In Auto Night Mode, however, it only turns on when it's dark, helping you save battery life while still providing adequate lighting in the evening. With 3 different color temperature settings, this light adapts to your preferences or specific needs. You can choose from warm light, warm white light, or white light, all adjustable with a simple touch control. Whether you're preparing a meal and need bright light or want a softer ambiance while relaxing, the EZVALO lighting gives you the flexibility to adjust brightness and color temperature to suit any occasion. Another impressive feature is the easy installation process. Thanks to its powerful magnet, you can attach the light almost anywhere. No tools, no drilling, just a quick and simple setup. The included magnetic adhesive tiles make the installation process even more convenient. You can mount it under your kitchen cabinet or any other surface without any fuss. This product also shines when it comes to energy efficiency. The rechargeable battery can last up to 7 hours on maximum brightness, and up to 78 hours on the lowest setting. With its long battery life and energy-saving features, you won't have to worry about constantly charging or replacing batteries, making it an incredibly efficient solution. The EZVALO under cabinet lighting is the perfect addition to any home, especially for kitchens where extra lighting is often needed. Its sleek, modern design ensures it fits seamlessly into any space, adding both function and style. Plus, with its motion sensor and adjustable brightness, it delivers the perfect light exactly when you need it, without the need to switch it on manually. In summary, the EZVALO under cabinet lighting offers an easy-to-use, energy-efficient, and highly adaptable solution for your kitchen, wardrobe, or any other space. With its motion sensor, customizable color temperatures, and convenient magnetic installation, it's the best under-counter light you'll find. If you're looking for a practical, no-fuss lighting solution, the EZVALO is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on more great product reviews. We'll see you next time.